Introducing the Robotics Hardware Kit, a step towards Swaympurna Goa and Make in India. Conceptualized, designed, and developed in-house by PMU to meet local needs with global standards. A first-of-its-kind solution that takes into account the tactile needs of young learners, ensuring comfort, safety, and engagement through hands-on learning. With simple plug-and-play modules and expandable support, the kit grows with the child from basic experiments to advanced robotics. Equipped with a one-way connector that ensures secure connections and error-free assembly. No screws, no confusion, just screwless, plug-press use, design that makes robotics learning fun and frustration-free. The modules are color-coded for easy identification and learning. Multiple power source compatibility ensures flexibility in usage. With code-free operation modes and simplified coding interfaces, it's ideal for every age group from first-time coders to budding engineers. Rooted in innovation, made for India, and designed for young minds. The Robotics Hardware Kit is more than a tool, it's a gateway to discovery.